We are all helpless. We are all the help. The help that we bring is the light. The help we bring is the scenario. Mother Teresa, when she is picking up a leper or a baby in the gutter, isn't saying, here's a leper. She's saying, here is a fellow being in Christ. Here, let me take care of your wounds. Who do you see? Well, you see patients? Do you see children? Do you see spouse? Do you see somebody needing to be helped? That scenario, I do helping, but I'm learning that the burnout came from identifying with being the helper. And the Bhagavad Gita had warned me about that. Again and again it said, do not be identified with being the actor. And the other thing that burns you out, it's warned against too. It said, do not be attached to the fruits of the action. Can you imagine being a doctor in which you are working all day in a hospital? You are not identified with being the actor, so you're not the doctor. And you're doing what you can for the patients, and whether they get better or die, what concern of that is that of yours? That's God's business. What are you doing? As long as you say, I gave them this, now they should live, and if they don't, you feel somehow caught in your ego, you're going to burn out. I give this lecture because I give this lecture, and I give it as honorably as I can give it. What you do with it is what you do with it. That's not my business. If I took a sampling of everybody that walks out of here, everybody heard a different message, I'd freak. I'd hear people telling me the diametric opposite of the thing I said, and they'd say it with great zeal. But that isn't my concern. My concern is that I do what I do as dharmically, because how do I know whether it will help? You must use what you must use, and all I can do is bring light. I can bring my own being. I can offer myself to you as a fellow human being.